Hi, my name is Jasmine Brown. I am a forester, which means I'm passionate about all things related to trees, forests, and nature. I'm a member of the planning committee and will also be moderating a session at the 2021 Taking Nature Black Conference, which will take place virtually from February 23rd through the 27th. This year's theme is Call and Response, Elevating Our Stories Naturally. I'm really looking forward to a conference that creates space for the Black experience with nature and more. I am excited about this conference and hope that you will join us also.